sun, always see the night.
Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the studio with another banger for y'all. This video might be my shortest video ever. Like, I know I say that sometimes for live cops and shit, but bruh, the recording I'm about to react to is literally like 36 seconds long. But if y'all end up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below, subscribe to the channel. If you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content, click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. And do not forget to subscribe down below. Come on, bruh. Waste no time. It definitely means a lot when you subscribe. Like that and you leaving a like are like the biggest things you could do. Low key, these videos take time and work, so when you guys go ahead and show love, it means so much and it just motivates me to go harder, to be honest. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it. Matter of fact, since we already here, I'm gonna go ahead and just pick the winner for this. I'm gonna put it up here for y'all. So there was 71 people that sent me a DM with proof talking about the giveaway, you feel me? So I'm gonna pick the winner right now in 3, 2, 1. Number 39 is the winner. I'm gonna put it right here. Whoever 39 is, I'm gonna DM you right now, and you feel me, we gonna figure it out. I gotta sort through the DMs and find you, but number 39 is the winner of this shoulder bag right here. I'm gonna hit you up and I'm gonna get this shipped to you ASAP. Yo, since we're already here, go ahead and check out Nori archives. We're almost at 1200, literally killing it on there. I've been posting OD, like literally OD, bro. OD, I'm going hard on there for real. So make sure you go ahead and check out Nori archives. I'm posting some sick ass shit. Low key, yo, I was literally looking at t-shirts when the shit dropped. I go straight to beanies once I realize, then I go to the different colors and shit. I'm like, yo, which one's the best one, you feel me? Then I decided to go with the brown one. I always talk about brown and never get it. Right here, I'm basically just putting all my information in, paying with Apple Pay, which has been working like a charm lately, and I put all my information, it's processing, and I ended up getting the beanie, bro. Simple. That shit was easy. I don't know if it's because people didn't want it, but shit was easy to cook up, you feel me? Light work. If y'all haven't seen the video from yesterday where I tried on the 3 tees that released last week, these 3 tees right here, go ahead and check that video out. I actually ended up trying them on. I think that's the new way I'm gonna do this shit, but let me know what y'all think about these on body. I think they go so hard, and honestly, I just wanted something light this week, and I feel like that's exactly what I got. I've been trying to take it easy, still got the heat, you feel me? Stop playing with me, but take a little easy. But yeah, man, that pretty much does it for this video. I know I was all over the place in this one. If y'all enjoyed, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. You already know the vibes. Click the post notification bell so you're notified whenever we post a new video. And let me know what was your favorite item that released this week. Honestly, the Shrek pieces were my favorite by far. I did like the big logo beanie, but besides that, there wasn't really anything too enticing. The Nike sneakers that came out were so ass, in my opinion, you feel me? My humble opinion. It was cheeks. It just wasn't something that I'd wear personally, but obviously a lot of people did like them though. And if you do feel like you could freak with them, hey, that's fire. I know that there's a lot of pairs, I know there's a lot of colors of that sneaker that actually were fire in the past. It's just not for me at the end of the day. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night.
They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.